All right, hello everyone and welcome. My name is John, and in this video I want to talk to you about the purpose of life. Not the meaning of life, but the purpose, the reason we're here. And I've always had certain ideas about this, but recently I've come to have a very different idea, a new understanding. And so I hope you'll stick around to hear me out. So first we have to acknowledge that we live in a world, in a dimension, a realm of absolute contrast. 100% light to 100% dark. Both exist. This is not some watered down version of reality where things get like 50% bright but only 50% dark. We can go all the way in either direction. This means that this is a world where true mastery is possible. Imagine someone wanting to master something like biking, cycling, but they leave their training wheels on. You can gain a decent level of skill and understanding, but you'll never master the art of cycling until you take those training wheels off, until you go on all kinds of varied terrain, biking in all kinds of different conditions. You have to be able to handle the full spectrum of extremes in order to be considered a master. So this is very different than like a Christian concept of heaven, where everything only exists at like 100% greatness and there's no fluctuation or deviation, where it sounds lovely and wonderful, but that kind of leads to like the Wall-E scenario where no one has any strength or ability to handle anything whatsoever. Like if you dip down to 99% greatness, it's going to be like, whoa, what is going on? So I believe that we come to this realm of full extremes in order to gain mastery. And the specific type of mastery is an awareness of the presence of conscious unity that exists within us and within all things. All the various forms and manifestations in this world, the entire third dimension, is an illusion. It's all energy. It's all being guided and affected by consciousness. And underneath it all, everything is united. There's no such thing as separation or limitation or lack of any kind. All of these things are illusions. But we believe in them and we get caught up in them and we go through these cycles of birth and death and rebirth until we attain a level of conscious mastery over that experience of unity. Until we've gone to this world of absolute darkness and still found our way back to absolute light, to that fully connected, fully united, merged absolutely with the power of existence. That's the experience we're here for. And until we attain that, we keep dying and being reborn and dying and being reborn. If we were in a world where things only went like up or down 10%, it'd be really easy to find this level of unity and to maintain it. But it wouldn't be permanent because we wouldn't have mastered it yet. We need to be able to find it and feel it and stay in it at any and all times and under any and all circumstances. That's what mastery means. Absolutely nothing can cause you to deviate from who you really are. So this is very different than a lot of goals or ideas we might have, because any human goals, any third dimensional goals, accomplishments, are impermanent. You're going to die and they'll be gone forever. You can't take them with you. But when you reclaim that identity as an infinite and eternal being and you live and return home to that state of conscious unity, now that's yours forever. Now you leave this world and you maintain that level of mastery throughout eternity. So now you're free to live and be and explore as an infinite and eternal being, which of course is already who we are and is already what we're doing, but we're not conscious of it. We haven't realized it, and so most of the time we're not aware of this presence, the state of unity. So if we become interested in this, then these ancient teachings of non-attachment start to make a lot more sense, because any third dimensional goal or accomplishment, acquiring things, it's all just chasing after illusions, chasing after ghosts. All of that is a distraction from the goal of mastering that experience of unity. So I hope you'll think deeply on this and see if it starts to shift your priorities. And of course, then we still have to practice, because even if we all are like, yeah, mastery of conscious unity, that's the goal. Well, you might not drop straight into it permanently, right? So we still have to release all of our attachments and all these desires to be somewhere else and to become something more. We don't need to do any of that. We're just becoming aware of this real experience that is always present within us and within all things. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it at that. So I hope this helps you, and I hope this gets you to think about things. And I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, so please drop me a note down there. And I just want to thank you so much for being here, coming along on this journey with me. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you for another video real soon. Peace.